Hello students, this is your second lecture of strategic management subject. In the last lecture, we discussed only the general meaning of the strategy and the management. Now understand your syllabus first, which gives you more clarity that what you will have to study. See, in a old syllabus there are 7 chapters, right? But in the new syllabus there are 8 chapters. So you are thinking, why we study one chapter in a extra, right? But the real fact is, more than 80% of your syllabus is the same in the old syllabus or a new syllabus. Yeah, some topics are common, but some topics are for only new syllabus students, and few topics are there which are only for old syllabus students, which we discuss in a detail later on. So, firstly, take out this thing from your mind that you will have to study extra. Now, I'll show you the index of your syllabus. This is your study material which is given by ICI. So, how will you study these chapters? What is the linking between these chapters? Before giving all these answers, now the first question arises, how will I teach you? From ICI material or any other material, right? So listen me carefully. Whatever I'm going to tell you now, this will help you in your finals too. For every CA student, ICI is like a god. ICI material is the key of success. What does it mean? If you want to clear your exam in this attempt, then make sure no one is supreme than your our ICI. But there are some problems with ICI material, that concepts and related questions are not in a synchronization. Means if you or someone studied ICI material, then you got realize that concepts are given in a one chapter and questions related to the same concept is given in another chapter, right? One more thing, some students don't get clarity after studying from the ICI material, and one more problem is language or a wording. What does it mean? I tell you, those lines which are given in a ICI material are not completely same with the suggested answers line, even are not same with the answers which are given to you after the chapter. In due to these problems, you try to refer other teachers, authors, study material, right? There is a no harm to refer any other author's books. You can do it, but 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 listen me carefully. Please make sure there must be a complete coverage of each and every concept of ICI material in that book which you want to refer. For this, you have to match your referring book with the ICI material. Now, some students can ask this question, why we should match? So, to get more confidence, trust on that referring book. Otherwise, at the last moment of your exam, some question will stuck your mind. That, is it sufficient for me? Will I pass the exam from this book? Because you know it's your life. You know very well what will be the effect of your one wrong decision. And one more thing, you will get very good marks when your answers will be matched with the suggested answers of the ICI. You came to know what is your target, right? So simple, cover each and every concept, whether is given in a ICI study material, revised test paper, mock test paper, past year exam paper, or suggested answers line. You also knew what are the difficulties and problems which you face every time while studying your ICI material. Now I tell you how can I help you. Actually, I made handwritten notes for you. You can say here, what's a new in that? Every teacher prepare his or her own notes noting. So what's a big deal? Yeah, it's a big deal. Why? I tell you. What I did, I took all ICI material, whether RTP, MTP, past year exam papers, suggested answer lines, ICI concepts, or even practice manual of all syllabus also. Because practice manual is nothing, it's just a question bank. And every topic wise concept, it's related all questions and concept related suggested answers line put all together, which means if you study my concept number 1, that is a business policy, you have to study only that content which will I provide you, because everything has been already covered in it. Everyone, every teacher says to you, how do you believe on my saying? Right? For this, I'll have to give you proof. So, in the coming lectures, firstly, I'll make you understand the whole concept first. After then, I'll show you proof by comparing my handwritten notes with the ICI material. From this, your confidence will be increased automatically on my channel, on my noting, and also on me. I have a strong content. That's why I'm speaking with so much confidence. If you have so much curiosity and if you can't wait till next lecture, then you can watch lectures which are already uploaded in a Hindi language. We covered approx 4 chapters till now, but you can watch for proof purpose. The link of the videos given in the description box. You can visit on that video and can watch. In the next lecture, we will start your chapter number 1. Plus, I'll show you what is your syllabus and what is the linking of one chapter with the other chapter. And when I will show you my noting, then definitely you will be surprised. And when I will show you proof by matching my notes with your ICM material, you will be more happy. And when I will teach you concept, then you will be more relaxed in your this subject. One information for everyone. We will upload lectures in English only when we will get great response from you. So share this channel link as much as you can so that we can help you of the next level. We have a target for this video only 25 likes. So see you in the next lecture.